Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car shelters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car shelters that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the portable garage Carport car shelter Canopy. Protect your car from the elements, dust, dirt, and animals by parking it underneath this car shelter. It provides a decent shade thanks to the 20 by 10 feet dimension. The accessory can be installed in many places including the home, office, front yard, and parking lot. It's manufactured from a strong PE fabric for durability, strength, and easy maintenance, while the support is offered by the steel frame. And for extra support and stability, the car shelter features ropes, connectors, and stakes. Moving on at number 4. We have the compact garage in a box car tent. Protecting your car from dust, dirt, strong sun, animal droppings, moisture, humans, and other things are easy with this shelter. It comes with a dimension of 12 by 20 feet and will offer a nice shade for many types of vehicles. It has a canopy made of a waterproof triple-layer ripstop fabric that should last for a long time. For better strength and reliability, the shelter also features a UV-treated weave polyethylene cover. The powder-coated 1-3/8-inch steel frame provides support, whereas the 4 feet spacing between the 6 ribs keeps the canopy stable throughout. At number 3, we have the Supermax Canopy Enclosure Kit. Measuring 12 inches long and 20 inches wide, this car shelter provides a pleasant shade. The tough canopy is held in place by 8 strong steel legs. The powder-coated frame isn't easily affected by corrosion, rust, and will keep its looks for a long time. Setting up the car shelter takes only a few minutes, and once up it will remain firm even in windy conditions. Removing and carrying it is equally easy. The lightweight tent is very portable for easy movement. At number 2, we have the Instant Garage AutoShelter, Sandstone. Coming with a superior triple-layer ripstop polyethylene fabric and powder-coated thermoset steel frame, this shelter is what will protect your car from the elements, humans, and animals. It is easy to set up and can be done in minutes. It is UV-treated for good protection from the harsh sun rays, and the frame is resistant to chips, aging, fading, tarnish, cracks, and other elements. The patented shelter lock stabilizers keep the unit very stable, whereas the ratchet tape cover maintains the perfect tartness. And finally at number 1, we have the Shed in a Box portable car tent. Constantly ranked as one of the best car shelters, the Shed in a Box is what you need to protect your precious car. It is well built to stand up against the wind, sun, rain, animal droppings, and other elements. The canopy is UV-coated for extra protection from the harmful rays from the sun, whereas the augers help to secure it firmly. Like other car shelters and carports, it has a strong triple-woven polyethylene material and is heat-sealed to prevent any water entry. The canopy is held in place by a strong steel frame. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.